with Bedore.
Correct.
How long have you been working out in the gym, Bedore?
For a year consistently.
For years consistently?
Yes.
So what's bothering you today?
Nothing really is bothering me. Just here to get a checkup, make sure everything's okay.
Good. So this is another example of someone who isn't in pain, but the importance of getting chiropractic adjustments on a regular basis helps in so many different forms. Most people who go to the gym, they really need this to increase their range of motion and to keep that range of motion. People who get chiropractic care through that process, they sustain less injuries through their workouts. Increasing their immune system keeps them from getting sick as often, so they're not being cut out of the gym as regularly also. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, okay? What about your stomach? So this may be a little bit different than what you were used to with that chiropractor.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with the massage bit real quick, okay? Cracked.
Or whatever, like how often should people
Cracked,
see you?
popped, popping bones. So it depends. It depends on where we are with your case as far as if you had an injury recently versus we're trying to get rid of low back pain or versus wellness. Typically with wellness, if you're consistent with it, some people like once a week, some people like twice a month.
I love it though, feels good.
Oh yeah, definitely. It was definitely a good workout. I was like, man, I gotta go see another client. I should have probably changed your clothes. All right, with a straight leg, don't bend it at the knee. Lift this leg up off the table. Just like that. All right, back down. Other one? Was one more difficult than the other?
No.
Okay. You have a short left leg, just by a little bit, like half an inch. This leg up first, and then the other one. I got you. You got it? Better or worse, about the same. You came up higher that time.
Better, I guess, if it's higher.
Great. This bottom piece is gonna pop up. You breathe in. You breathe in. All the way out. That's what I like. All right, you're gonna lay on this side, facing the back wall. Bend this knee for me. Bend this knee for me. Just like that. Straighten the bottom leg. Good. Bend this knee. Go forward. Scoot a little closer. Do you? Perfect. Now look at it. All right, you're gonna take a deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. You thought I was gonna have a hard time doing that. Flip over to the other side.
I'm like, I know you can go harder than that.
Right, just go into it. Just lean right into it. Look that way. Deep breath in. All the way. That way. Okay, lay on your stomach. Beautiful. Deep breath in, take it all the way out. Good. Bring your head straight back. Let that left cheekbone fall. Deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Look over on your back. This right here. A little bit of a pull here, okay?
Okay.
Let it go. Good. Go ahead and sit up. And you can face this way. Okay. You're gonna follow me all the way. Let it go. Drop, drop, drop. Don't arch. Just fall. Big stretch, okay? Deep breath in. All the way up. Good. One more time. Deep breath in. Let everything go. Look up for me. There you go.
You're strong.
Go ahead and lay on your back. We're gonna check out some of this stuff. I wanna get your ankles and everything. You got more work? You stretched already? Good. Let it go. Out, crazy. You rolled your ankle recently? No resistance here. You ever had your ears adjusted?
No.
You wanna?
You want to?
All right, you're going to sit up and face that way. I want to take your earrings out for me. Just the ones on the lobe, yeah.
Oh, I took them all.
I was like, maybe I should have told her that.
I have 3 on the lobe anyway, so.
All right. So I'm just going to contact your earlobe right here. And when I ask you to, you're just going to kind of let your head fall over to the side like that.
Which side, left or right side?
To me.
Okay.
It's just going to be a little tug right here. All right, let it fall.
Oh, shit. That's so weird.
She was like, I don't know what the hell she's doing.
Right. That's good though.
All right, let it fall. There we go. All right, stand up, walk around. Let's see what we got.
Oh, I can go get another workout of it.
All right, y'all.
Oh, y'all, she did an amazing job. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Thank you. And Dr. Howell here at Lettuce Mobile Chiropractor. Until next time.
Yeah.